Welcome, dear students. Today I am taking a class, accountancy class 11. Now I already discussed in previous class what is account, what is accountancy, what is accounting cycle, what is bookkeeping. Okay. Now today I will discuss what is transactions. Now we will discuss the transaction. What is transactions? Now transactions means now it is a two aspect. Two aspect means now it is service to related. Now it is service related. Now you purchase goods from others. Now you sell out to others. Now you goods purchase from others. Now goods sell to others. So any transaction is there. Now this is a transaction. Transaction now is two types. One is cash and other is credit. Cash transaction means these transactions are related with cash. These transactions are related with cash. Related with cash. This is a cash transaction. Or credit transaction. These transactions are related with credit. Example, purchase goods from Mr. X on cash. This is the cash transactions. Credit transaction, purchase goods from Mr. X. This is the credit transaction. Now here is no cash is there. Okay. Now in the transactions, now it comes from accounts. Now transaction, now it comes from accounts. What is accounts? Accounts. Now it is divided in two parts. One is personal account and other is impersonal account. Personal account, impersonal account, and impersonal account now divided in two parts. Now this is real account. Now this is nominal account. Real account and nominal account. So what is personal account? Now this account related with any person and association of person. This account related with any person and association of person, it is called personal account. Clear? So any person related with any person and association of person, any person and association of person, it is called real account. It is called personal account. So any person and association of person is called personal account. The for example, Ram account, Sam account, ABC and company account, Sen and company account, Bardwan Model School, Mohan Club, the Ram Sam account. This is the individual and association. Now this is the association person is Bardwan Model School, Sen and company, ABC and company. Clear? Now what is the accounting treatment of personal account? What is the accounting treatment or golden rule of personal account? Now golden rule or accounting treatment in personal account. Golden rule. Golden rule or accounting treatment. Now debit is receiver, credit is goes out. Now previous class already discussed what is debit and what is credit. Now what is comes from. Okay. you are already known. The debit is receiver, credit is giver. The example, goods purchase from Ram, goods purchase from Ram rupees 7,000. The goods purchased from Ram. Now here is Ram is personal account. Ram is personal account. So goods purchase. Which purchase? No, anything no mention. Now purchase. Now here is two account. Purchase and Ram. So purchase debit, Ram credit. Okay, the Ram is giver. Why? Now Ram is giver. Sorry, debit receiver, credit is giver. Sorry, debit is receiver, credit is giver. Okay, the goods purchased from Ram, the Ram is personal account, the purchase debit, Ram credit. Now we take the another example. Goods sold to Rohim rupees 1,000. Goods sold to Rohim. Now Rohim is a personal account. The goods sold to Rohim. The Rohim is receiver. The now Rohim debit. Which goods are sold? No mention. The now sales. Credit. Now note, always remember, purchase always debit and sales always credit. Now you remember, purchased always debit and sales always credit. Clear? Now you can take another example. Furniture purchase from furniture and company account. Furniture and company account. Furniture purchased from furniture and company account. The where is purchase? Now furniture company. Now he is the giver. The which purchase? Now here furniture purchase. Furniture debit or furniture and company account. Credit. Okay. Now real account. What is real account? Now this account related with any asset or any resale value. Related with any asset or any resale value. This is a real account. Now it is associated with any asset or any property. Those who are resale value. It is called a real account. What is real account? This is related with any asset or any property or any resale value. This is called real account. Accounting treatment. Accounting treatment or golden rule. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Now example of real account: land, building, plant, machinery, furniture. Example of real account. Example: land, building, plant and machinery, cash, bank, etc. This is a real account. Okay. Thank you. Today now end of my class.